Da 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 da. It's going down by the pond. Do 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 do. Break. I wonder if there's any turtles in the pond. Turtles. I like turtles. Where are the turtles? Where are they? Where are the turtles? There's gotta be a turtle in here. Watch me just dump the bike in the water. Water, 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 water. Oh, there's some fish. There's some more fish. And you got a blue whale. And you got some more fish. Oh, that's a lot of fish right there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, lots of fish right there. Gonna be riding my bike today in some trails, so I don't know, ride the woods a little bit. Pretty fun. Pretty fun. Water! Water, water. Oh, these are so wet. Ooh. Super wet back here. I just washed my sweatshirt. Yeah, I'm actually up here for the summer now, so I'm gonna be able to record a lot. But the only problem I got right now is I don't have internet up here, so I'm not sure how I'm gonna post videos on Tuesday and Thursday. This week should be fine, like today's video, and then I'm gonna try and have a video for Thursday. This week will be fine. It'll be next week, the following week, that will be interesting, because I'm trying to get internet up here. I just gotta look into it a little bit more. Oh, turkey! Turkey! Turkey, turkey! Turkey, turkey! Turkey, turkey! Turkey, turkey, turkey! I got a job for the summer, actually. It starts on Monday, so I'm kind of looking forward to that. It's I'm gonna be working for a trailer hitch company. They design trailer hitches, like all the way up to like semis, to the basic like car hitch. So it sounds like I'm gonna be helping with some of the designs of the hitches. Oh, ruts! Oh, saved it! Oh, dude, I hate this trailer. So many ruts. Oh yeah, I'll probably fall by the end of this video. At least once. At least once. Probably just jinxed it now. Whew. Oops. I had no way out. And I'm too short, like. If I was like 2 inches taller. Oh, good times. Good times. I was gonna talk about something, but then I fell. No, I forgot. What was I gonna talk about? Oh yeah, now I remember. The pit bike. So, the chain actually snapped this weekend. I actually wasn't riding it. It was one of my friends. The chain snapped, so definitely for sure I gotta get a new chain now. And then the back rim, or not the rim, well, basically, it's super crooked. Now, and actually when I got that tire put on, when I was putting it back on, the bolt that goes through the back is bent. So the whole rim is super crooked. So I gotta get a new bolt for that. It's like probably, it's just the bolt that goes through the whole rear rim. I don't know. I'm like half distracted right now. I don't even know where I'm going. Where am I right now? Oh, I know where I am. That was easy. That was easy to figure out. Puddles! Puddles! Okay, I'll hit the track one time. This one. Way too dry out. There's no way. I'm like on the locked up the back brakes the whole way to the corner. Still can't stop. In time. It's getting dry out. It needs the rain. Practice my starts. Oh yeah, not bad, not bad. Oh yeah, the Grizzly's acting up as well. It's something's wrong with like the front right wheel. It's like making a really weird clicking sound. Oh, I gotta sneeze. Oh, it went away. Yeah, it's like making a weird clicking sound. When you turn, and basically all the time, it's just random. And you can feel it grab pretty bad. I don't know if it's like the bearings are going or what. But I gotta look into it more. Oh no, we're in a rut. Get out of the rut. Oh, we suck. Cracked myself like a little whoops. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna cut it off here. I will catch you guys possibly on Thursday. I'm gonna try. Expect the video, and then if I don't post it, you guys can yell at me for slacking off. Whoop. But yeah, peace out. My upload schedules is Tuesday and Thursday, and if you enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe.